Hey YouTube, this is Ivers Farms, and we're about to blow up a beaver dam with 10 pounds of Tannerite. No animals were hurt in the filming of this video, unfortunately. Fire in the hole! It was supposed to rain this morning and it went to the south. It definitely rained just to the south, but we missed it. So I'm getting the planter out to, well, I'm not going planting. I wish I was, but there's more rain supposed to be coming, then more Wednesday, so it's not looking very good for this week. You never know. But I'm in Dad's 620, hooked up to the 2160, going to try and get his climate all hooked up. He still has to use the 700. Have to redo it because we added the 48th row to this. So make sure to get all that stuff right. I think he had it, just he didn't know he had it. Forgot to mention while I was talking to you in the quad track that we got new hats on the website. So that's them if you like them. We actually ordered them different, but this is how they came. So we got new hats. Ah, what we got here?
Would be too long. Less room between the pipes, but I thought some of the funnels would be bigger around than that, but this will at least keep them in place.
Yeah,
we need another funnel. That's the whole problem. We don't have enough funnels.
Yeah, looks like we got enough funnels. We got all sorts of sizes. I didn't realize we had so much until you put them up like that.
Enough holes for them.
Thanks, Welkers, for the idea. I like this.
Yeah.
Then we'll have a bucket right here.
Yeah.
Or what? Yep. It's for it to drain into.
Yeah, we'll cut off a gallon jug or something. Put under there. A rainy Monday. Come out and see what's going on out here. What are you doing, Emery? You what?
Picking up.
What are you two up to, Jay?
Servicing the seed tender while it's wet, can't plant.
So why are we servicing this one traded off?
Well, we at least want to, you know, you can't even get nothing anymore.
Oh.
I was surprised you even get a soda from the gas station.
What happened to this seed tender once? See this little bitty ding right here? We had it parked up on the scales way out there. David pulled it up there, it jumped off the ball, rode way down the hill into the shed. That's all it bumped, went right through the door. Well, the door was only about 12 foot wide, open, it went right in. Yeah, what's the number of our sprayer?
4045R?
4045R. We're talking about trading that off, and it won't go down the road till probably next spring if we do. If anybody's out there is wanting to buy one, carbon fiber boom, the what do you call that, direct injection, 5 tanks, exact apply. It'll have probably 2,800 hours on it by the time we get done with it. Brand new tires this year, so it'll have 1 year of tar use, in good shape. So if you might be interested in that for next year, you might give us a holler, let us know, because it seems like on all this used stuff is they're not giving us what it's worth compared to what the new stuff's worth. So might be better off for us to sell it to somebody, but just a thought. Another nasty day. Been doing a little dozer work today where a terrace ran over. Got that done. Emery mowed.
About 4/10 last night, 5/10, depends where you're at. I think we got 7/10 some spots. So we're still out of the field for a while, but just David's got the Titanic ready, got hooked up to the 103C Pro 400. Got the 2150 out here with the 380. We're filling water in the tank right now. This is our tender truck. We use it for this, for starter. We also use it for nitrogen going to the side dresser because we're all liquid. But anyways, we're just gonna put some water in that and we're gonna put it in this. And we're gonna see if we have any leaks there, see if we have any leaks here. Then I'm gonna get it halfway calibrated. Then hopefully plant sometime this month. Not gonna be this week because there's supposed to be more rain tomorrow, so gonna be wet for a while. People comment, especially you Western guys, about how much rain we get, and yeah, we get a lot of rain, especially this time of year. Seems like we always have a month straight with no rain in the summer though. It's just we try and plant during the wet season, we try and grow during the dry season, then hope it's dry during harvest. I should probably talk about the Titanic a little bit. It's an old T2000 that's been stretched out just for this purpose. We also use it for the sprayer sometimes too. A little enough platform here to put chemicals or seed or whatever. Haul a fuel tank because the 380 Magnum does not have a big enough fuel tank. Since we use this for multiple things, we got multiple pumps. This one uses the we go the sprayer because it hooks up to the mix tank, and I also use it for the planter because it's hooked up to the mix tank because I'm gonna be mixing stuff in with the starter. So I'm gonna load the planter out of this to start with, make sure that works. Then I'm also gonna load the planter out of this one, so make sure, just checking for leaks everywhere.
The dozer in here on the truck, working on the truck, trailer. Jay's working on the lights. On his stool to clean. I'm underneath the dozer. Yep, up over there. Trying to get the pan off to change the oil. That's the way it goes.
This new generation.
It's got a little pad, our little shield under there. You take off, change the oil, but I'm taking the big one off so we can get the dirt cleaned out. A lot of dirt up in there underneath the engine, and the pan seems to be stuck. Dirt underneath the old dozer. Got her all cleaned out, all drained. Now we got a big pile of dirt. Well, there's some more up front. I need to dig that out.
Try the next one. The end didn't leak. All right, no leaks on the Titanic or the planter, so that's good. Now I'm gonna see if I can figure out how the get to run. It's on the 1200 now, so we can figure this out. Got it. I think it's pretty simple. Now I just gotta go back and collect liquid from Total Liquid Collective. How many rows I did it, put that in here, I think. But how much time I did it. Yep, I think it's it. Calibrating. Catching it, measuring it. Doing like 5 different rows. Emery's assisting. I don't know if he wants to be on YouTube or not. It's Eli's little brother. Is that what you want to be known as? Yes. Yes? You don't want to be your own man? Okay, fair enough. Calibrating. I think we got it. Kind of changes on its own. It's a little different than the old one used to be on the Pro 700, but drain her out now. Well, if nothing else, the system should be cleaned out. It's already sprinkling, and we're supposed to be getting some storms this afternoon. Chance of tornadoes, all that bad stuff. So in the meantime, a lot of shop work going on. Layton's up there, changed oil on the D5, now he's cleaning it out. Emery shop cleaning. Boss man's bossing.
What is this?
That's a chainsaw sharpener that did not work with the type of chainsaws we have.
So how we still got it?
Just in case we ever get a chainsaw that works on, I guess.
I have a feeling it won't.
Probably not. Jay servicing the Peterbilt dump truck, tires, oil, all that stuff.
Got some wire here.
Messing with the wires on the trailer, fix that. That's stranded Dalton in Nebraska. Getting the spray trailer all ready to go. Lazy dogs are being lazy dogs.
Yep.
These
We're gonna make a fire.
making fires inside.
Mm-hmm.
Always a good plan. Always.
Bringing hot dogs.
I can go get some. I have some at the house. Huh?
Don't forget the buns and the relish.
Oh, I thought you were on a keto diet. Maybe you didn't want the buns.
Do I look like I'm on a diet?
No comment. This is how current all area players of the year make money. They fill up buckets of water. Can I have your autograph? No. I can't. You don't even get what? You don't believe in people making money off your signature or what? Sterling Sharp used to think that. It's not right?
Not while I'm on the job.
Gotcha. Well, I was just gonna get it and then sell it to some little kid somewhere.
Maybe later.
Okay. Lunch break? Lunch break autograph. We'll have signings at lunch break. All right. More help has arrived. Gotta love spring break. All kinds of help around. Ready to stick my Powered by Precision Planting sticker on my 2150 Case IH corn planter. Before I do, I have a couple disclaimers. One, not only am I not a professional, I'm actually not any good at putting stickers on, so be easy on me in the comments. And two, just a reminder, if you want to get your Precision Planting emergence kit, check out the link below and go get that ordered. It's a good way to evaluate your stand and see how close they came up together, then come back in the fall and see how that affected your yield and see how your planter's doing. So I think it's a good thing to have. You can get it, it's free, so check it out. word to the wise. This Aphidus time-lapse camera. It's a very nice camera. Takes very nice pictures. Very good camera. Not exactly waterproof. Not near as good as the GoPro. So if you're thinking about getting one, they are nice, but got water in the lens last night trying to get the storm coming in, but it dried out. So we'll see how it goes on the bin build, because surely it'll rain one of those days. Might just have to take it down during the rain days. What are we doing with that?
Service it.
Ah.
Getting some weight on the front end.
Ah, I got you. Yeah, it looks a little light.
Yeah, that's why I had to take Jay with me, help me hook up.
Gotcha. Irrigation motor.
About time.
Want it before you know it. Well, we got 3/4 of an inch of rain last night, which didn't need, so now it's super wet, but we're calling for some severe storms, possibly tornadoes. We didn't get that, so that's good. But today, sun's out. So I don't care how wet it is, even though it's really wet. I'm spraying burn down with a brand new sprayer we just got. David got the irrigation trailer in. Jay servicing this one, getting it going. Lights, license plate bracket, all that stuff. What? Brand new sprayer we got for burn down. It leaks, so that's not good. No. Oh, yeah, you made a mess.
Yeah, I made a mess. I'm just trying to start warming up the oil.
Well, you look lubricated at least. You got that going for you.
I might go home here in a minute. Change this.
I was gonna say you can keep your Heggy and your Deer and your Patriot and all that. Just give me in Milwaukee, but the tank must have a crack in it somewhere. Tell you what, Jay, I've never had a DeWalt sprayer leak before. Okay, we had another tank. We're gonna try that. That
Brand new tank.
if that one leaks too.
Milwaukee makes good stuff. They'll take care of it. All I gotta do is call them.
Hey, all right, much better. No leaky. I knew old Milwaukee wouldn't leak twice. No way. All right, see if this works or not. I pulled the handle and a buzzer went off. I was trying to get some water to come out. We've dissected it and there's no water to the pump. For some reason, the tank is plugged.
All right, pull it out.
The tank's plugged, Leighton.
I know.
The tank that leaked had a good one of these. The tank that didn't leak had a bad one of these. So, taking two bads and making one good. You gonna work this time?
Yes.
We got it put together.
You got it put together.
It's true.
You're watching.
Well, somebody had to supervise. Baby. Oh boy, okay, all right.
You knobby dobby.
That's as high as it goes. That's pretty good stream.
You can reach way up in the tree.
Huh.
Boy, I wanted an extra tank.
Man, that thing's nice.
Yeah, it is.
As soon as you get it to where you can fill it up.
Oh, wrong way.
All right, thanks, appreciate that. All right, I'm gonna put chemical in it. This thing's wonderful, wonderful. The backpack sprayer was a big upgrade from the pump sprayer. This thing where you don't have to pump it, it's nice. I'm gonna get spoiled with this thing. Good Friday to you. Going out to put a cylinder on the mulch finisher that got repaired, the end was snapped off. Walking by all the quads, one 620, another 620, 500 road track, and another 620 back here, all still waiting for the ground to dry up one of these days. Still trying to figure out though, every single gang has one cylinder on them, except this one. Even that one over there, that's like the exact same, but on the other side has one. But this has two, one was broke, so I don't know. I'm gonna put her back on. Now our tool ready to go with it whenever it dries up. I'll dry up one of these days. Surely. What are you doing there?
Well, if I knew, I'd be done. So
Yeah.
I'm experimenting, trying to get the door to work from the phone.
Yeah.
I have a Wi-Fi relay to put in here, but this is a 220 volts AC motor, and these solenoids that change the direction are 12 volt. 220 AC, and these are 12 volt.
Yeah.
So I got to get all that through there, but it's possible. I just have to figure it out.
Oh, you'll get it. That looks like a whole lot of explosives.
Well, I'm gonna use it all.
Oh, use it all.
We're gonna get a bigger container. We can do that.
We can do that.
I don't know what I'm
Harness the power of the sun.
thinking. We can get about 4 pounds in that, but not sure.
Tannerite.
Tannerite.
I've never even seen it happen before.
Really? This will be interesting. If we dig down into that beaver dam a little bit and set that down in it.
Blow her
Something
up,
will
huh?
happen.
Gonna blow stuff up! We've reached the beaver dam. There's 3 of them right in a row. This is the biggest one. They're gonna put the 10 pounds of Tannerite in the dam. Hopefully David can shoot it. Then there'll be a monster explosion, we hope. There it is, 10 pounds worth.
10 pounds, yeah, and only filled up the graphite container about halfway.
What's the most you've ever exploded?
I think 4 or 5.
Oh, we're doubling it.
Is it big?
Fire in the hole! Shot!
Well, I got close.
That's everything I'd hope it'd be and more.
Now the water's flowing more.
The water is flowing more. Now I gotta get back to that side of the ditch. I didn't think about that. Well, it's not quite all clear, but it is flowing better than what it did.
Don't let Eli know, say, so where'd you have firecrackers? Easy guys, you know it's April, you're supposed to be planting.
That's what farmers do when it's wet.
Blow up more beaver dams next week.
Yeah. Well, that was fun. I'm getting ready to put some SD cards on the computer, let them load up tonight, and do some editing tomorrow on Saturday. So hope everyone has a good Easter with your loved ones. For he is risen indeed. And if anybody wants your emergence flagging kit for precision planning, the description's in the link, as we said earlier, and or the link's in the description, as we said earlier. And if you want your Ivers merch, link's also in the description for that. So thanks for watching. Have a good Easter. See you next week.